Shorty, she just came on their porch and took their blanket off they top disturbing uninvited visitors for the month of Ring camera doorbells. Who would ever thought that it'd be a bunch of Ring camera doorbells with a video put together of creepy, thieving individuals? That's messed up. Shorty, she put the coat on and left like a ghost. She said, heck, you know. Hood watch news. Is they getting robbed? Damn, getting robbed on your damn. They getting robbed. That's not funny though. But that's dang, getting robbed on the camera though. Getting robbed on the Ring camera. That's not right.
This lady to the right is getting carjacked. Thankfully, she isn't hurt, and the car stopped working.
Oh, she getting robbed. Damn, they tried to rob her for the car, but the car don't even work. Nah, dude, fried. He got a whole Ring camera advertisement right here. Bro, ain't nothing in there, bro.
Get the fuck out of my fucking truck, bitch.
People ain't playing,
Don't
boy.
forget those other deliveries.
We need a Ring camera, bro. Y'all think y'all finna, babe. They was stealing people packages, bro. Like, they real buddy had a big package. He went in his house and ran. That's crazy. Don't even know what's in there. Cause they didn't have no gate on their yard. Buddy just came through. Just taking the package. They don't care what it is. He took it right to his car, drove off. I said, that's messed up. What was that? They probably do that as a sport too. They had a crib like 10 packages that you done stole from people's houses and stuff. That's crazy, bruh.
Delivery methods, just in case. Some people said they're not able to go outside. Have some neighbors look out for you if you trust them.
Excuse me, bring that back. The package.
She told his ass, she said, excuse me, bring that back.
Okay.
Oh, bro. How does that? Wait, will she go back in the house to go get?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, once you see that Ring camera, you kind of over with. I ain't gonna lie.
Can I help you?
My bad.
Get out of our yard.
Check this lady out. I guess she came to get some revenge, but why do it on camera?
She didn't even care. She just buzzed. She just flattened motherfucker tires. She just flattened his tires and didn't care on camera, on ring camera. Nah, that's
She ended up
crazy.
slashing all 4 tires.
Damn. Oh, folks, she ain't leave no L. No cap. She ain't leave no L. She slashed all four. Atlanta, Georgia.
You'll find out. You know, they good.
Nah, don't put no. Oh, he was just finna put a brick through they shit. Damn, it's a group of Venezuelans trying to rob. They ask everyone. They in Chicago. They.
So look, y'all wanna break? Look, y'all wanna break one of these?
Then bro don't even know how to do it right. He tell me, look, y'all wanna break one of these? Nah, mission failed. You supposed to already know what you're doing before you come through. Mission failed.
So it's empty, so it's G. Come on right here, so we can see this.
Mission failed, man. Hell no. Hey.
Unleash the power of precision with Diablo's Wood Demon Ultimate Polished Finished Blade. Diablo's access.
So there's shit in there. Yeah, we good. Y'all wanna break the door glass or the side glass? Come on, stop being fucking hard, nigga. I'm asking a question, huh?
Oh, bro, then he loud.
You know, like niggas mad. It don't matter, dude. What do you fucking do, nigga? Do what you fucking do. I'm asking y'all boys. Bro, this nigga. Man.
He don't even know what to do. He tell me, y'all want to break this one or this one. Loud as hell. Just break it, boy. Didn't even break it right.
No.
Guy's going around asking people for bolt cutters at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wonder what he got going on.
Hello.
Hello, I have a quick question for you guys. Do you have any? I have a question. Do you guys have any bolt cutters or anything that could cut through metal? Cause my chain.
No, I don't. We're in bed. No, I don't.
Yes, sir. Have a blessed day.
This guy seems to have come with his tools ready.
Or really, people really be coming to y'all doors on the ring camera tweaking like that? Unk already, he pulled up sweating. What the fuck? Unk done pulled up sweating. But nah, some people do be having their porch like they be decking their porch out like it's the crib. Y'all want to do that? Move somewhere nice and do that. Don't like. Feel me? Like, move somewhere secluded or somewhere. You gonna do that?
The man in the previous video could use this guy's help.
His ass smoking K2. He hound some on bro. They boy. That's not no weed, shorty. He smoking something else.
Hey man, me and my girl bought the wrong side mattress, man. We got a king side mattress, just a full side mattress. Anybody need a full side mattress, goddamn. We ran this bitch over anything. You give me $40 for this motherfucker. I'm gonna take it to the jump. So shit. Yeah, what is it?
You tip out, you give me
Somebody
fit.
up out of here, bitch. Somebody need it, man.
That don't even like the real mattress. That like the foam and shit.
I got an old
Damn, the same dude? Nah, that's crazy.
I can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
They got a voicemail doorbell, bruh. A voicemail doorbell? Never heard no voicemail doorbell, bro.
Excuse me, I need some cutters, like a power tool, so I can cut the chains off of my trailer. Do you think you could provide some as of right now? If not, it's okay and have a blessed day. I just need to get to work in the morning at 6 and yeah.
Bro, you cook, gang.
I know I've shown plenty videos of these kids scrambling through the neighborhood checking cars. This is one of them getting caught.
Police got on their ass. Oh, they knew who they wanted though, cause other dudes failed when they still was going for him. They
Scrambling through the neighborhood checking cars. This is one of them getting caught.
He bogus though.
Cars. This is one of
when I'm running. Don't push me, bro.
Them getting caught.
Don't push me, gang. Don't hold on to me. None of that. Damn, this back gotta be broke. Not gonna lie to you. You gonna let the fat motherfuckers catch you. You fried. You gonna let the fat officer catch you though. Wait, one more time.
This is one of them getting caught.
He was already on their once he grabbed you, it was over with. You let a fat motherfucker grab you, boy, they not letting go. That's rule number one. Never let a fat motherfucker grab you. If you skinny. Oh, this is Chicago, that's crazy. All 6 arrested, that's wild. How all 6 of y'all get arrested? So ain't nobody get away.
Get on the fucking ground now! Get down on the ground now! I did nothing, bro. I did nothing, bro. I did nothing. So stay on the ground, I didn't know it's all he just. I'm gonna replace you right now. Everything I already just told me. When they got out the car, I was like, when they got out. They just told me when they got out. He's fine, they go that way. I swear they just told me to go.
His ass over with. He get out the car. He get out the car hobbling and shit.
Try to get to your packages first before these people do.
Damn, I ain't never seen no Chinese person steal.
Here you go. Oh, yes, there you go, man. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
She fried. She tried to act like she giving her package. She talking about, there you go. She was just trying to take that mother.
Have a great day. You too.
Oh, man.
Guys, I heard somebody screaming. You guys are good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good? I heard somebody screaming. Are you guys good? Yeah, we're good. For sure.
Hello? Hey, don't touch that package. Let me call you back home.
Who you looking for?
Can I get a Band-Aid?
Let me know what you guys think about this one. He has his hands in his pocket the whole time. Not sure.
Nah, that's messed up. Imagine somebody asks you, a little shorty say, "Can I get a Band-Aid?" and then try to rob you. That's fucked up.
You looking for what?
Can I get a
A
band-aid?
Band-Aid, bro.
A Band-Aid.
Yeah.
Are you serious? You asking for a Band-Aid for people you don't even know?
Yeah.
Dude, you need to get a better professional. Go to your parents. Nobody gonna give you no Band-Aid. Where are you
No,
from? Who are you?
my friend band-aid.
I don't know
Nah.
you.
I feel like he did right. You never know these people's intentions. Got to be safe out here.
Can he get a Band-Aid? What the hell?
Check this guy out. He scales this fence to try to get this bike.
Y'all hopping fences with bikes. Y'all hopping the fence with a bike. The gate don't matter no more, huh?
Hey, we're calling the cops. You better leave that fucking bike alone. Get the fuck out of my backyard, dude. Sorry. No, que pinche sorry, dude. Vete a la chingada, güey.
If you're ordering groceries for delivery, please try to be home or get them inside as soon as possible. Because things like this is crazy.
Dang, she just stole their groceries off the porch that they ordered. That's crazy. Dang. A bag and some napkins. That's crazy. You need a gate. Fuck a Ring camera. You need a gate, gang. I ain't gonna lie. You need a gate. You need a gate. Shit, even I would have took something. Nah, I'm just playing. Nah, the way they stairs was set up, you just asking to get your stuff took. You gotta.
The pole too. Y'all grab the pole. What? Anything y'all took from inside of that house, put it the fuck back. Cause I seen y'all
Damn.
grab a pole. I have 2 cameras on the house.
See one more time, I can hear you.
Y'all grab the pole from the side of that house. I have it on camera. Why would y'all just put back something y'all didn't grab from the house?
Go ahead, put it back, bro.
Is that the one you took? Put back anything the fuck you put back. Because now when I come home and I see that car around, it's going to be a problem. Stop taking shit from people's houses.
All right, put it back.
How can I help you? Hello?
The easiest way, now I see why I never understood why people be having them loud ass dogs, is for protection, bro. Get you a dog, bro.
They're gonna try to steal on the house.
What?
Look. Look, he ran away. It's a guy.
Where was he? Was he in the house?
Yes, he was inside the porch and he jumped the fence.
Check this lady out. She steals this package.
Come on, lady. Merch, everybody got a little obsession with stealing packages.
And found some instant karma.
Who are you?
And then she ran. Who grandma out here stealing packages, boy? And then she fell.
And that's what you get.
Damn, you ain't gonna chase her. Why does look like, bruh? Why does look like someone that I know in Chicago, bruh? Why does it look like a familiar street?
Why the lady just steal my packages off the porch? The lady just stole my packages off the porch. And
then she failed though. Damn. Y'all steady going on these incomplete missions.
Not sure what this guy got going on. He's out in his robe messing with people's cameras.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
Bro, what the fuck?
What are you doing on the property? चलो तुम्हारे लॉक्स चेक करो कोई प्रॉपर्टी पे घूम रहा है
Hey man, you alright? Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
This is the hair loss secret men won't shut up about.
I was a 17-year-old college athlete. Like many men, I was both confused.
Prior to this guy was trying to open up the door. Please, don't leave your doors unlocked.
Bro, he just sat on their porch like it was his porch. What the fuck?
If you don't get off our porch, we will call the cops.
What's wrong with y'all people? Do y'all not know y'all something could happen to y'all coming to these people, coming to random people's house? Nine times out of 10, they ain't got nothing to lose if they at somebody's house.
Hi. I am a Christian missionary called to pray.
Man, get away from my door, man. Get away from my door. Cut the bull crap.
And I was going to see if you guys could help so I could get a motel room tonight.
Man, get away from my door.
We carry cash around with us. A lot of it's our debit cards.
Yeah, that's okay. I just have to get a room tonight. And,
let me see my wife. Ben!
The video ends before he can come back and give an answer. But let me know down in the comments, what would you do in this situation?
Bro, I really think some people don't got no inner thought. Like I feel like some people is missing brain cells, bro. They be tweaking. It don't be making sense for the things that they be doing. Like, it don't be adding up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't. He came to their door asking, "Can you buy me a hotel?" Like, what, bro? Like this a movie or something. What in the heck?
Another thing I want to know, would you rather have this lady at your door or these next couple guests?
What the? An alligator just came on their porch, boy. No. 2 alligators just came on their porch. That's crazy. I ain't gonna, somebody else gotta handle that. What, you need a shotgun for them? An alligator just came. 2 alligators is just posted on their porch right now. That's crazy.
Hello.
That's crazy.
Good afternoon. Are you guys home? I live down the block to the left.
I walking my dog right now. I'm not halfway home.
Okay.
So.
Got it. I'll pass by later.
Okay.
Yo,
bro. Let me in.
Key the car with a knife? That's wild.
What are you talking about? Just let me in the house. Please.
We're coming around the corner. We're coming around the corner right now. You better drop that shit. Put that. We're coming around the corner right now.
Get off our porch. How porch?
One thing to take from these videos is to be careful what you leave outside. These thieves are grabbing anything to make their lives easier, I guess.
Bro done stole a stroller, bro.
Can I use the phone, please? Please. Please, please. Can you come in here? I'm not gonna come in the house. Can you come in?
We're gonna get in trouble. We live in a transitional house where our
I was saying, could you call her? I need to use the phone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please try to get your packages in as soon as possible, especially if you happen to be home.
Why she had to sit down on the porch to steal the package, though? I'm confused. Why she sit down like that, though? Man, why the baby come to the door? Heck, nah. Just had to peek, see what was in there, huh?
Yeah. What are you doing there? Get out.
If we're gonna leave bikes and scooters outside, let's try to lock them up at least, just to prevent this.
Look, they shit easy. Damn, that car already got a dent in it. Damn.
I was the first one to ever join the military in my family. When I got out, I knew that I wanted to go back to school, and I was excited to know that Purdue Global.
Also, please don't forget to keep those doors locked.
Yeah, keep them doors locked, shorty.
Thieves.
Oh, did they lock it when he was running up?
Yo, leave the bro.
Damn, he took every single package. How he put them back?
Thank you.
He thought about
That's
it.
a rare occurrence that they actually leave it.
What's up?
He told her, "What's up?"
Nah, you got the wrong house.
She might be really lost though. She look like she out something.
You can roll.
What do y'all be seeing off them drugs that be making y'all hallucinate like that? Be tweaking though. I don't.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. A stranger comes to this house and starts cutting the hedges. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Bro trying to get paid, huh? Ain't nobody asked you to do that though. He's snapping though, I ain't gonna lie. He's snapping though, I ain't even gonna cap to you though. He's snapping. I ain't even gonna lie. He's snapping. Cutting the people grass like that.
This is
But
pretty
who asked him to do that though?
strange. He even steps back to admire his work.
He gotta be out something. He just wanna do something, huh? Go ahead, grab that side too. Chicago.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I said, are you delivering a package? Excuse me, are you delivering a package? Miss, I can't see that. I'm sorry?
No Spanish, no English.
Oh, you need somebody to sign it? Just leave the package behind the chair.
Voy a buscarla aquí en el...
Because I have no idea what you're
Nah, that was this summer.
saying.
If you have groceries being delivered, try to be home to retrieve them, just in case something like this happens. Even other people will come and take your groceries. People are getting real desperate out here.
Doing?
Sí, ya, okay.
Put my package back.
You just gonna watch and just let her take them though?
Put my package down.
She took all of
Put
us.
my package down.
She gotta be lost her marbles, shorty. Damn, bro, just tweaking. They got a nice little front little walkway, little situation.
Please move from the RV. Don't stop by the RV. Thank you.
Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. You never know anybody's intentions, even if it is a mistake.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Can I help you?
Hi, is this Johan's house?
You're at the wrong address.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Have a good day.
My bad. Yeah, my bad.
The GPS will send you to the wrong spot. The GPS will drive you off a cliff. I ain't gonna cap. So you gotta know where you going. GPS will drive you off a cliff, boy.
Hello.
You somewhere in Lake Michigan, fuck around with GPS. Google Maps. Oh. What's that? Using the real map.
Hey, do you know where is the train?
Yeah, it's down there. So what you
train?
It's down there. You just keep going down. You said what? A lot. A lot. You just gotta keep walking down.
Not sure what's going on in Brooklyn, but it looks like people are after your side view mirrors.
Still in side view mirrors is crazy. He boasts. He bogus. He's so bogus. He's so bogus.
Check this guy out. Sneaking and geeking trying to get a package.
Sneaking and geeking. Heck.